Dito na lang yung tissue.
Yan na pagkukuha sila.
Kaya?
15 reasons
I
why
heard
a
that.
beer is better than a woman.
Beer?
A beer.
Beer?
Beer.
The
beer.
What the heck?
the beer.
The
What
beer.
the hell is that?
15 reasons why beer is better than a woman.
Go, read them out.
A beer doesn't get jealous when you grab another beer.
Bullshit.
That's reason one.
So you prefer beer
I'm just reading.
than me being get jealous? Klom?
When you go to a bar,
But you can
you know you can always pick up a beer.
Ah, that's
Also, you can pick up the...
I know you can pick up girls.
I'm just reading the joke of Joan.
Ah.
I don't even know. Can you tell, can you show Andrew?
There's 15
Ooh, we're having a party. Happy birthday, Chris. Have a good life. Cheers to life. Kami ay nag-barbecue ng milkfish. Ay, naanom na siya no, nadikit na siya.
Ito. Saan?
O, sige na nga, magbigyan na ka.
Sisend ka sa ano natin. Umalis ka muna dyan, Aizen.
Bakit ano yun?
Pipicturean ko si Marley.
Ganun.
1, 2, 3.
Bakit naman nakayos yung ano nga?
Isa pa.
Grabe naman.
Alis dyan!
Sige.
1, 2, 3.
Paano 1, 2, 3 ay? Sarap ng mga food.
Let's eat.
Ay, na yung paa. Ay,
Okay na yan. Tutulin na lang yung paa.
sa akin yan.
Hello, Lucky!
Ay, hindi. Sa akin yan. Mas
Yan sa'yo na.
Hello! Say hi!
Piniga mo yung lemon mo? Oo. Ikaw, tinanggal mo yung lemon mo. Alam ko ito yung akin yung ginawa ni Chris.
Say hi!
Hangovers go away.
Ayan, live.
Makikita ka sa vlog ko.
When you're finished with the beer, the bubbles still work fine.
Uy, kain naman tayo. Mamaya.
Kain na, oy!
Ay, let's eat! Guys, let's eat!
Okay.
Yeah, this one also. You can share
Naman,
it.
guys!
Bon appetit!
Yay!
Beer is always
Michael, Andrew, come over.
I will.
Boys first. Walang boys first sa akin.
Narinig ko yun.
Ay, nang-live ka ba?
Dito live, boy, sa YouTube ko to. Ano ka?
Ay, may YouTube ka pa.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Low, 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 low.
Blow job, blow job.
Dami ko naman ano eh.
Artist tayo.
Ilan?
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Black Sausage. Yay!
Nasaan ang blade? Ito yung blade niya. Oh,
Ano mo yung masayang ano niya, moment niya eh.
yan. Oh, maliwa na. Pwede na, pwede na. Hazel. No, it's alright. It's okay. Excited pa naman eh. Ikaw na talaga. Hindi, may ano kasi, naka-measure kasi yan.
Baka dayain natin.
Okay. Because she already know the diameter and where she going to put it. So because she's afraid that someone will cheat.
That's nice.